Very good morning. So I come up with here today to about the strategy of NATA exam, which is gonna be on 12th of September. So I'm keep getting so many calls. You guys want part A or part B specific class, this, that, there are a lot of things. But what is my plan and ideology is we have almost had a word in a 5 section yesterday, more than 500 student discussion. We have already download, we uploaded the paper discussion also. So based of entire strategy planning, we see your exam, what all things required on 12th September, how you can score. Again I will tell, how you can score 150 plus. So it is very simple. Part A we need to focus more. So we'll discuss about the planning of part A. Then we need to focus on part B entire, overall. So the multiple number of the mock test paper, but it's very vast. The third thing is we will discuss about some of the problems also which you have faced in the exam and how to improve that. Fourth and important point is from where to write the exam center. So if you have nearest exam center in a home, it's accessible, make sure you write from there. And now let's start this chit chat. So this is Krishnanand Singh, your coach, mentor, guide from Ignite India. Hope you guys are doing good. And the first exam NATA got over. The news is a Maharashtra region, the Pune region, couple of the center had a problem, and the students, this was in news also in the morning today. People have faced this problem today. So yesterday exam, so do not need to worry about it. What next? Because NATA have already said that again the next exam is on 12th, so be ready for that. So now we have to step forward, we have to see what and how we can plan for it. So let's see, we have planned the everyday mock test paper for you in this exam. So every day writing the mock test paper will make you ready for it. Then we exclusive strategy plan for your entire paper, especially for part A, how to score 100 plus, 100 plus, 110, 120, out of 125 how to score 125. That is the plan is. So well guys, so that is a, if you want to come in that bubble, make sure that you fill the link which is there in bio, contact us, number is here on the screen, immediately you join and be a part of Ignite. From now to till your exam, we'll make sure that we'll have a best score. About part B, we'll plan the entire strategy, we'll take the reverse way, couple of sessions for you, and you will have regularly again the test paper for that also. So looking at this all things, what is required, what is most important thing, make sure that you download the today the Ignite India app, contact us immediately to be a part of it. Let's do not come negativity come around you. Make sure that you are focused on your next level preparation, because I see the first test, I told before the your exam also, the first day I see just like this was like a demo, this was like a trial which you have done it. Now you have an idea, now accordingly you need to plan and you have to crack it well. So I am here with you guys and the entire Ignite India team is here, and we will ensure that we will have a best result. So do not forget to contact us immediately if you want to be a part of Ignite family, if you want to do better in your exam, if you want to score 150 plus in NATA. Do not get panic, do not get upset, do not feel like okay what will happen. Question was really easy, it was not hard, trust me. So students are you have faced some problem, I heard about the problems are also, I know somebody having a it was not coming on a screen, somebody having your system got crash in between, then someone had a problem while writing the exam the question got skipped. So if you will watch the previous video, I have already discussed about this, but I'm writing all this point again. I will make what happened in the exam, that analysis, those points are again I will discuss, and I will see why that happened, so that you can do, you cannot repeat again the same thing and you can improve. For that, right now we have analysis, we have make a plan of your test paper as similar than the NATA, so that you can perform better in your next round of the exam. Yeah, so if you want to trial and you want to come in that, make sure you contact me right now, ping me on WhatsApp on given number, I'll get back to you and the team will get back to you, and we will ensure that you will have a best preparation for it. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Just go ahead for this. Next, just now make sure that subscribe, like and press the bell icon button of our channel. Share this video with your friends so that it will reach to the student. Wish you all the best. Good luck guys.